Okay, so let's begin with drawing a box in two-point perspective. Drawing a box in two-point perspective. This is the most basic fundamental thing in terms of drawing two-point perspectives. This is two-point perspective bones, elementary 101. Everything in two-point perspectives sort of follows this kind of methodology. It can get a bit more complex, but these are the basics. Say you got yourself your horizon line. Everyone draw a horizon line. And here are your vanishing points. Screen left vanishing point, which will also be referred to as VPs, and right VP. Now your horizon line is basically the line that you see, the imaginary line you see in the far distance of the horizon when you're looking out into the scene, where like the sky and the ground meet. This creates your like horizon. It's basically where your view stretches out to like infinity. Now with your horizon line, you'll have diagonal lines stretching out from your horizon line, kind of like so. And they'll intersect somewhere. Let's say here, just for the case of this example. This will be your like vertical line, vertical edge line. And they'll also intersect up here somewhere. It's important that these different lines intersect, otherwise your box will be it's kind of tricky. It takes a bit of practice. Like it's basic, but it's fundamental. But at the same time, there's a certain amount of skill to it. There we go, a box. This looks a little confusing. There are a lot of lines just kind of like shooting out everywhere. Now, when you're drawing something like this, it's good to use a ruler for accuracy, but you can't always just depend on the ruler, rely on the ruler. Because if you do your perspectives strictly using a ruler, then what's going to end up happening is your work is going to end up looking like really mechanical. And, well, inorganic. That's why you want to try and like do things freehand as much as you can. It'll help to prevent things from looking like stiff and mechanical. And there you go, your box. This is the very basic fundamental of doing two-point perspective. The diagonal lines meet from the vanishing points, and the edges connect here. The diagonal lines meet from these vanishing points and these vanishing points, and where the diagonal lines intersect, you get the edge of your box. And that'll give you your box. Now the trick is to make a perfect cube. That's a little bit trickier. It takes a bit of practice and a little bit of guesswork.